So question 3, literally the same as question 2. Company E can borrow at a fixed rate of 7.5%, or they can borrow floating, LIBOR plus 0.35. This is company E. Company F can borrow a fixed rate of 9.25, or they can borrow LIBOR plus 0.87, okay? So just by looking at this, the first thing you should think, okay, we have company E, we have company F. Company E can borrow at a fixed rate of 7.5. Company F can borrow at a fixed rate of 9.25. So the first thing you got to think, who can borrow fixed cheaper? Because financial efficiency, who can borrow fixed cheaper? Company E can borrow fixed at 7.5. We're going to let company E borrow 7.5. Straight away, that's the first thing you want to look at. Draw our diagram. So this is question 3. So question 3, just draw our diagram. So we've got company E. We've got company E. We've got our financial intermediary, the bank, and then we've got company F. And we've got company F. So we've got company E, the bank with financial intermediary, and company F. Okay? And then company E, what does company E want? So company E wishes to borrow at floating. So company E wants LIBOR plus 0.35%. So they want LIBOR plus 0.35%. And company E, what are we giving them? Company E, we're making them borrow fixed. Fixed for them is cheaper. We're making them borrow fixed 7.5%. 7.5% fixed. So we're making them borrow fixed 7.5%. Company F, what does company F want? Company F wishes to borrow fixed. Company F, so what? Okay, so company F can borrow fixed at 9.25%. So company F wants fixed. How much is it? Fixed 9.25%. They want fixed 9.25%. We're making them borrow LIBOR. We're making company F borrow LIBOR, and their LIBOR is LIBOR 0.87%. So LIBOR plus 0.87%. Okay, and now we want to look at how much does the bank get? So the current swap rates are 7.65, 7.88. So straight away, our arrows 7.88, and then the arrow coming in here. How much did it say? It said 7.88, 7.65. So the arrow coming in 7.65%, 7.88%. So how much does the bank win? 7.88 minus 7.65. So the bank's getting 0.23. So the bank's making its little profits, 0.23%. And again, the opposing arrows, LIBOR. Always LIBOR opposing LIBOR. Okay, so this one's short. So question 3 is shorter. It's basically what we just did for question 2, part A. So it doesn't have part B, C, and D, just one main section. So just one bit. So company E's net cost. So we're forcing them, so fixed 7.5%. So we're forcing 7.5%. Okay, so it's positive. We're forcing 7.5. What's leaving? LIBOR is leaving, so LIBOR is positive. LIBOR is positive. What's coming in? 7.65 is coming in, minus 7.65. Minus 7.65%, that's coming in. So what do we have? So that means we have LIBOR. So the net cost is LIBOR, 7.5 minus 7.65. 7.5 minus 7.65 equals minus 0.15. So LIBOR minus 0.15. This is what they're getting. What did they want? They wanted LIBOR plus 0.35. So they wanted LIBOR plus 0.35%, and we've given them LIBOR minus 0.15%. So they've made cost savings. So they wanted LIBOR plus 0.35%. That's a high rate, and we've given them something low. We've given them LIBOR take away 0.15%. So they've made savings of. So they basically made savings of 0.35 plus 0.15. They've made savings of 0.5%. So company E savings 0.5% cost savings. 0.5% cost savings for company E. And now we want to look at company F's net cost. So company F net cost. Well, we're forcing them LIBOR plus 0.8%. LIBOR plus 0.87%. We're forcing that. What's leaving? 7.88%. That's leaving. So that's positive. 7.88%. What's coming in? LIBOR. LIBOR's coming in. Take away LIBOR. LIBOR's cancel out. What do we have? We have 7.88 plus 0.87. 7.88, 0.87 equals equals 8.75. So we've just, through the interest rate swap, we've got them fixed 8.75%. What did they want? They wanted fixed at 9.25%. So they wanted fixed 9.25%. So 9.25%, we've got them 8.75%. So they made 0.5% savings as well. 0.5% savings. 0.5% savings for company F. So company F's made 0.5, company E's made 0.5, and the bank, you can also say the bank's made 0.23 as well. Bank equals 0.23% savings as well. Total savings equal 0.5 for company E, 0.5 for company F, 0.23 for the bank. Total savings are 1.23%. That is it.